3 bank accounts you need in Canada to manage your money like a pro. Imagine this: you just moved to Canada, excited for new opportunities, but the first time you try to pay your rent, your debit card get declined. Why? Because you only have one bank account and all your money is mixed up like a bad stew. Yeah, I've been there. The truth is, having just one bank account makes managing money harder than it needs to be. You end up spending your savings by accident, struggling with budgeting, and missing out on ways to grow your money. So today I'm going to break down the 3 types of bank accounts you need in Canada. Whether you are an international student, a new immigrant, or just someone who wants to level up their finances. Plus, I will show you where to open these accounts to get high interest rates, no fees, and even a free $75 bonus. Let's get into it. These 3 bank accounts will help you: 1, to track your spending without dipping into your savings; 2, save money whilst earning interest; 3, prepare for emergencies without stress. And here is what these bank accounts are. The first one is a checking bank account for your daily transactions. Secondly, a high interest savings bank account for building wealth. And 3, a money market account for emergency funds. Now let's break each one of these down so you have a better understanding of how they all work. The first one is checking account. This is your everyday money hub. A checking account is your financial command center. This is where all your money flows in and out. Every paycheck, every government benefit, or even e-transfer you receive lands here first before you allocate it to other accounts. Because this is the account you'll be using for your daily spending, you need one that offers unlimited transactions, so you don't get charged for simple things like paying rent or even buying groceries. Many banks in Canada charge monthly maintenance fees, but some waive these if you meet certain conditions, like maintaining a minimum balance. As a student or new immigrant, you should look for accounts that offer no monthly fees, unlimited transactions, and perks like cashback or rewards to get the most out of your banking experience. Some of the best Canadian checking accounts that personally I have used, or even I've gotten recommendation from other people who have used it, one would be the CIBC Smart account. This is one that personally I use myself. This account offers you a flexible fee structure where your monthly fee is based on how many transactions you make, and if you keep 4,000 or more, it's completely free. Plus, new customers can get $75 free just for signing up. You can check the description area. I'll leave a link there. If you are interested, you can use that one to sign up and claim that $75 for yourself. The second one is Scotia Bank Ultimate Package. This account is particularly great for students and newcomers because it offers free unlimited transactions and even lets you pair it with high interest savings account to maximize your earnings. Plus, you get free international money transfers, making it ideal if you want to send money home. The third one is Simply Financial's no fee checking. That's a Simply Financial no fee checking account. If you hate banking fees, this one is for you. It offers 0 monthly fees, free e-transfers, and unlimited transactions. Plus, it's an online bank, so you can manage everything from your phone. A quick tip here: banks in Canada often have welcome bonuses for new customers, so always check what's available before opening an account. You could easily snag free money just for signing up, so keep your eye open when you are opening a bank account. Number 2 is high interest savings accounts. This is where you grow your money. Most people open a regular savings account thinking they are earning interest, but here is the reality: traditional savings accounts pays you almost nothing. In fact, many of them offer 0.01% interest rate, which means your money is just sitting there doing nothing. A high interest savings account is designed to actually grow your money by offering you much higher interest rates, sometimes up to 5%. The best part, these accounts still let you access your money when needed, so you don't have to worry about locking it away for years. By putting your short-term savings like tuition fund or even travel savings into a high interest savings account, you are ensuring that your money earns something rather than sitting idle. Some of the best Canadian high interest savings bank account that I can recommend for you are: the first one is Tangerine Savings Account. This is something that personally I have one to keep some of my money in and try to grow them. They offer about 5% interest rate for the first 5 months and a competitive interest rate after that. It's great if you want a simple, no fee savings account with easy access to your money. The second one will be EQ Bank Savings Plus account. Unlike many other banks, EQ Bank offers a consistent 4% everyday interest rates, meaning your money grows steadily without needing promotions. Plus, it allows free e-transfers and no monthly fees. The third one is Wealthsimple Cash Account. This is a hybrid savings account that acts like both a savings and a spending account, and it offers you a 5% interest rate and include a cashback debit card, making it a solid option for those who want to earn while spending their own money. And a quick tip here: if you have the money that you don't need for daily expenses, transfer it to a high interest savings account and let it grow whilst easily accessible for emergencies. Number three is money market account, your emergency fund best benefits. A money market account is a lesser known but powerful savings tool. It's like a high interest savings account but typically offers high interest rates in exchange for keeping a larger balance. The main benefit of a money market account is that it allows you to earn money on your emergency savings while still keeping your money accessible when needed. Unlike your regular high interest savings account, some money market accounts even come with checking features, meaning you can write checks or even access your funds without penalty. If you are saving for a down payment, a big move, or even an emergency fund, this type of account ensures that your money grows faster while staying liquid for you. Some of the best money market accounts in Canada that I can recommend for you: the first one will be the CIBC E-Advantage Savings Account. This is a great option for those who keep large balances, as it rewards higher deposits with better interest rates. If you maintain a balance of 5,000 or more, you get higher interest rates without monthly fees. The second one will be Manulife Advantage Account. This hybrid account offers 5.25% promotional rates and combines savings and checking in one, allowing you to earn while keeping your money accessible. It's ideal for building emergency fund or saving for a major purchase. And the third one I'll recommend will be the RBC High Interest E-Savings. This digital savings account offers a competitive interest rate and free online transfers, making it a good option for those who prefer to manage their finances online. And if you are looking for a way to keep your emergency fund safe while earning a decent return, a money market account is one of the best options that I would say is available out there. So just to recap, here's the bank account system that I think you need. One is a checking account for your daily transactions and bills. Choose one with no fees. Second one is high interest savings account. This is for short-term savings and better interest rates. Then third one is a money market account for emergency fund and big savings goals. By setting up these three accounts, you avoid overspending, maximize your savings, and earn more on your money. instead of leaving it sitting in a zero interest account. Bonus tip: if you want an extra $75 for free, you can check out my description area. I will leave a link on how you can open the CIBC Smart account today so that you can get a $75 for free. That will be on me. If you got value out of this video, can you hit the like button so that YouTube will see value in this video? And also feel free to share it with your family and friends who you think will get value out of it. And let's engage in the description area. Let me know the kind of bank account system that you run so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, cheers and see you